Hi there, welcome in. So you are here for your glasses appointment, is that correct? Okay, great. So these are new glasses, so you've had glasses before? Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by taking a look at your eyes, just making sure that everything is okay. All you have to do is look at my nose right now. Very good. You have very beautiful eyes. Okay. I'm just gonna get a bit closer and I'm going to lift up your eyelids. All you need to do is listen to my instructions, okay? So I need you to look up for me. Okay, good. Now look down. Look left. Now look right. Beautiful. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to lift up your eyelids. Great. Okay. I want you to look up for me. Good. Look down. Look left. And now look right. Perfect. Okay. Your eyes look good. Nothing concerning there. Okay. So now I'm going to take my other light. I want you to look at my nose and just tell me when you see the light enter your vision. So we're just going to be checking your peripheral vision right now, okay? All right, so just let me know when you see the light. Keep looking at my nose. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay, we're going to do the same thing just with a different color light. Just keep looking at my nose. Whenever you see the light. Good. Okay. Now, can you follow this light? Very good. Just keep following the light. Just keep following the light. Fantastic. You're doing really good. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but with this light. So I need you to just follow this light. This one's a little bit brighter. So after we've done all these tests so far, do you feel like the light hurts your eyes at all? Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay, now I want you to just look at the light. Just look at the light. Good. Okay, now I want you to look at my nose. Okay, now look at the light. Okay, look at my finger. Good. My nose. Now my fingers. The light. Look at my nose. The light. My fingers. My nose. The light. My fingers. Good. I'm gonna cover one eye now, and I want you to tell me how many times you see the red light. Okay, let's begin. Okay, how many times? Good. Other eye. How many times? Very good. Okay. So do a couple more tests and then we'll start with your glasses. So we're just going to do a color blindness test now. I want you to tell me what number you see, and let's begin. What number is that? Good. What number? 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 Okay. What number? What number? Very good. Now I want you to place your finger right here, and I want you to trace the line. Okay? Trace the line. Ready? Okay. Good. Very good. Great. Okay. We are all done with the color deficiency test. You did amazing. No problems there. Okay. Now, I'm just going to cover one of your eyes. All right. Tell me, what is the tiniest line you can see? Okay. No, so it looks pretty blurry. Interesting. Okay, let's do the other side. So read the smallest line. Okay, so it's also pretty blurry for you. Interesting. How about when we don't cover your eye? So I have this here, and I want you to read this letter. Good. This one. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Good. Oops, sorry. Good. Okay, so these two are going to be pretty tough, okay? Take your time, all right? Good. Now let's do this last line. This one's going to be tough, okay? Very good. Now I'm going to be checking your eyeglass prescription. I'm going to give you a couple lenses. You're going to tell me which lens is better. So we're just going to see if your prescription has changed at all since the last time you were here. All right, we're going to start off with kind of a lower prescription here. So we have this, okay? So can you see any different with this lens? Okay, it's like about the same. Gotcha. All right, let me just go and check this one, okay? Then we'll do this lens. All right, so lens 1 or lens 2. So 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Lens 1. Okay. So now let's do lens 1 or 2. Now lens 1 or lens 2. Lens 1 or lens 2. Okay. Let's see here. Lens 1 or lens 2. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Okay. Just wanna check. Okay. I'm just going to cover one of your eyes here. Okay. How does that look on the side? Any different? Kind of blurry. Okay. What about with this lens? Is this any better? It's a little better. Okay, how about with this one? Okay, good. Let's try this other eye. Okay, how's this lens? Okay. I'll try this one. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. Gotcha. Just wanted to see if there was any difference between the two eyes before we continue. We're gonna try this one, and we're gonna try this one. Okay. Lens 1. What does it look like? Very, very blurry. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so this one's also like zoomed in as well. Interesting. Let's see here. How about this one? Yeah, kind of zoomed in. And this one? Interesting. Okay. Okay, so lens 1 or lens 2. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to these two. Okay. Lens 1 or lens 2. 1. Sorry, actually, this is 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Okay. Take a look at these two together. Okay, what does that do? So it looks a little stretched, right? Okay, and there. Let's see this. So I'm going to take this one. Okay, so one of the zoomed ones. Okay, tell me what happens with this. Okay, interesting. Okay, so what I'm looking at here, just putting this back. If it fits, what the heck? Okay, so what I'm looking at here is this is your prescription. Okay, so it has gotten a little weaker, your eyes, so we had to go a little bit stronger. Not a big deal, happens quite often, especially with me. I wear contacts and glasses. My prescription changes all the time. So now I'm going to measure your face, your PD around your eyes, and we're going to pick out some glasses for you. So we're going to start off with your PD. So I have this tool right here. I just need you to look at my nose, and then we can begin. Okay, just look at my nose, and if this blocks my nose, just try to picture where my nose would be, okay? Just keep looking there. I'm just going to measure. So my nose should be around this area, so just keep looking there. Okay. Okay. So I'm just measuring the distance between your pupils so that when we get the glasses, we can add that number. And it's very important because then you kind of see a little wonky if we get the wrong number. So just keep looking at my nose. You can blink as many times as you need. Okay. Let's see. It's looking like 35. Yeah. So it hasn't changed since last year. It doesn't necessarily change all that much. That's good that we're able to get that. Now I'm going to measure your eyes here. Okay, just keep looking straight at me. Try not to move. Okay. Now we're going to measure one more time with this tool. Now, since we were able to do that, I do have some glasses that are ready with the same prescription, same PD, all of that. So you just need to try them on. So first off, we have these here. Let me just clean the lens quickly. So these kind of give that like Ray-Ban feel. This is what they look like. Just black. They have like two little dots right here. So let's just put them on you. Okay. So how's that? Okay, yeah. They look really nice. Take them off now. I have a couple more pairs. So we have these. They're like a pinkish purple with gold right here, and yeah, they're really cute. A little bit different. This is a lot thinner, and they have kind of like a cat eye at the end, just a little bit. So let's try them on you. Okay, what do you think? Yeah, they're really cute. Yeah, I really like them too. Do they fit well? Okay. All right, let's just take those off. Good. Okay, we have two more for you. So, actually we have three more. So this one's kind of unique. This is one of our newer ones. It has this little silver half circle at the nose, and it's really pretty thick right here, a little bit thicker than the last pair we had. So it's kind of giving the vibe of the first one, just a different right here. So let's try these on you. What are you thinking? Yeah, I honestly think they look really good. Very unique, very different style than the rest of them, especially with that little circle there, half circle there. Yeah, they're really cute. Let's take them off you. Good. Okay. Now, this one is a bit different than the rest. So let me just clean the lens for you quickly. So these are a really pretty, like rose gold, very thin around here, but I think that's pretty much the style that they're going for. Even though they're thin, they're pretty sturdy. These are really, really cute. Over here, they have a little bit of like a plastic cover, so that's not like irritating your ears when you have them on. Yeah, let's put them on you. What do you think of these? Yeah, they're super unique. They're really beautiful. I think they're really cute. I love that rose gold pinkish color. I think they're adorable. Yeah. Do they fit good? Mm-hmm. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we have one more pair. So these ones might be my favorite. So they're honestly like pretty thick, and they honestly look really nice. I have this pair at home. They also have those two little dots here, just like those first glasses we tried on. But these, I don't know, I really like how thick they are here. They give, they're really like sturdy, thick right here as well. So, yeah, these are from Diff Eyewear, it says. They're Weston BK6762. Yeah, they're really, really cute. So let's just try them on you. Okay, very good. All right, what are you thinking? Yeah, for the bigger glasses, it's kind of nice because it fills up like the whole area, so you're not getting like half of your eyesight cut off. Like sometimes I have trouble with glasses that are a little smaller. Yeah, they're really cute on you. You look amazing with those. All right, let's take these off. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, those are the glasses that we have available in your prescription, in your PD measurements, all of that. So you could go home with these, or you can just wait and look at different styles and we can put in an order for you. Okay, so yeah, they were all very, very nice, and I can see why you're having trouble picking one. Which one do I think you should get? Honestly, I think the last one was definitely your style. These are really, really cute. I think these are the ones for you. Yeah, you could definitely take them home today. They're ready. They are perfect fit for you. Perfect prescription as well. So you can go ahead and go home with these today. Okay, so that's what you want to do? Alright, yeah, definitely we can do that for sure. And thankfully your insurance covers it 100%, so we won't need a payment for you today. Yeah, so today we're going to be sending you home with your prescription, your updated one, just like a form. So if you want to shop around and get glasses online, you can do that as well. And I think that is about it. There were no issues with your eyes. You looked really, really good. Not concerned about anything. And we will be sending you home with the glasses. Alright? Yes. But it was very lovely to meet you, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your evening. Alright? Okay, I'll see you next year.